Well, it's been an amazing day. My first day with Red Bull Racing. To look at my name on the car, it's something very extremely special. Something that it's definitely a dream come true. And I have to say that I'm pleased with the progress we've made in terms of feeling a bit more comfortable. Obviously, I've been driving in a car for seven years, in a cockpit, in a seat, with certain pedals. So just the positioning itself, it's quite a challenge to get on top of. We're working hard. We made definitely good steps in that, and have to say that for the first day, I felt very comfortable. I think we've done a lot of preparation, so many days in the simulator, in the factory, with the controls, getting on top of everything. And have to say that I'm very pleased with how my first day went, because I was on top of all the procedures, obviously improving and learning from them. But I think the preparation that we did up to this test day has been good. And I think it's been very helpful to have this first day with the team. It's just everything. It's like it's still a Formula One car in the end, but the seating position is different. The steering wheel, the grip, the buttons, the procedures, the power unit, the power delivery, the torque. It's just so many things that are different. It's very, very good to get these days with the team, to get to know my boys, to get to know the engineers, just to have a more fluid conversation, because the way I explain the car is different to what they've been used to, vice versa as well. Getting comfortable in the cockpit it's important, so that when we get to Bahrain, I'm able to just focus on trying to get the performance right, because as you say, with a day and a half in the car, it's really nothing, So the more we can get done here, the better we will be prepared for the first test in Bahrain. It's getting better now. I recognize more the faces. I have a love with the guys, with my engineers. I think we are all racers here. So when we are in a racing environment, we are just pure racers, and everything is getting more normal now.